of? Your character of, okay, who should I pick? I know a good one. I know a good one. And its name is gonna be, Candace. Candace from, it's a kids TV series. I'll try it later. You'll see what she looks like. Yes. I don't have no idea, probably. No. It's not. It's real. No. Yes, she is. No. She's not a... Like what? Like, yes, she is a queen, but not in real life. Yes, she's not. No. It's a blonde. No. She's never have been real. No. No. Because they have a driver's license. No. It's torn apart. No, never. I have no idea. No, I don't say no. Seattle, no. Settle, I don't even know. Has your character been in something produced by the Disney company? What is it, yes? Has your character been a member of a famous band? No, never. No, never. Has it played in a movie that was best? No, never. I think so, yeah. Does the character tell me the ship? No. Does the character have a sister? No, she doesn't. Is the character in the show Gravity Falls? No. Does your character live with any of their parents? Yes, they do. He does. Treated like a slave? No. Redheaded? Yes. Associated with bunnies? I'm not sure. Probably not. No. Have a cell phone? Yes. Well, it broke it because Phineas broke it. Yes. They got it. No, that's what she looks like right there. So next, we're only gonna do like 3, and then I'm gonna stop the video. Okay? It's just gonna be so. It's gonna be short. I'm gonna play again. Is your character a male? Okay, who should I think of now, guys? I'm gonna think of I'm gonna think of hmm. I'm gonna think. I don't know if you guys love this anime, but I'm gonna think of Goku. It's a Dragon Ball Z. It's an anime called Dragon Ball Z. So, is your character a male? Yes. Is it an adult man? Yes. Is your character linked to a superhero? Yes. Does your character have the letters Sun S on their uniform? No. You're thinking of Superman, man. Is your character still working? Mm, Probably not. I don't think. Does your character wear a cape? No, never. Is your character mostly red? No. Is your character with the green color green? No. Is your character German Shepherd? Why would you think that? Is your character? No, never. Is your character from the DC Comics? No. Yes. Yeah. Oh my God, you got it. Does your character wear mostly orange? Yes. Have a monstrous side? Probably not. Does he have a son? Yes. He got like 2 sons, I think. I'm pretty sure. 3 sons or 2. I'm pretty sure. Cause I don't know. Does Goku Jr. I think Goku Jr. is one of his sons. No, that's not. That's his great grandson. Does he have black hair? Yes. Oh, you got it. You're gonna get it. You got it. Okay, it doesn't show his face because he's dead. They just don't want to show his face because he's a loner. Loner. Homeless loner. Yes. Yes. Oh, just to remind you, can you please subscribe? Cause I'm trying to get to 10. My goal for now, if I get, it's 10 subscribers. If I get to 10 subscribers, get them 30 so I can make good videos and I can earn that money so I can use 'em- so I can buy a GoPro and make them new videos and make them entertaining for you guys. It's all for you. And like and subscribe and share, please. Is your character a male? Who should I think of else next? I'm gonna think of. I'm gonna think of a real. I'm gonna think of a. I'm gonna think of a TV show. You guys have to guess it this time. You guys guess it. Yes. I love Minecraft. Probably yeah. Yes. Has you ever had a pink mustache? No. Did you suffer from depression? No. 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 Yeah. Yes. 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 You defeat the librarians. Did you defeat the librarians? No. It's my time. Yes. He got it. He got it. He got it, everybody. Yup, he got it. He got it. So next one's gonna be the last one, guys. Okay. Bum, bum. I quit. The character mail. Who should I think, guys? Who should I think of? Okay, this I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna think of. Let me think one. Let me just.